Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Yamaha MT-09. This 3-cylinder streetfighter just arrived with only 11,400 miles. Super awesome looking bike. Matte gray with the neon orange wheels. This thing runs perfect. It's in beautiful shape. Come on by and make this fuel-injected 3-cylinder bike your own for $79.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.